This is another example in which we will start from box dimensions, then fill a list of pallets, and then finally use those pallets to fill a container. The first step is to open a new datasheet starting from box dimensions. Here we are working with millimeters and kilograms as units. Instead of pasting the boxes from a spreadsheet or entering the dimensions manually, we will import them from a file. So we go to the File menu, Insert Box, and look for them in a directory. First box, marked as 03, we will create 800 of those boxes. The next box, marked 04, we will use 1,000 of those boxes. Next, we will adjust the height of the pallet load and calculate box shipment. We see a result in which we have 16 pallets, made of the red and blue boxes we had imported previously. We select them all, Tools menu, Fill Container. There we select the type of container, in this case is a 48-foot container, and we calculate the load. We see the pallets within the container. A total of 16 pallets and 1,800 boxes. We can generate a report here by exporting container shipment to Microsoft Excel. And we can also generate a report by going to the Available Solutions window and using the Print Report option. You can save it as a PDF to the desktop. We want to see how it looks in Excel. We open the file. We see the container. We have one container. And we have 16 pallets inside for a total of 1,800 boxes.